Hello everyone and welcome back to uGenesys, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I've been using our volume indicator to make over $500 today. And so here you can see on our screen we have our volume indicator, and we recently upgraded this volume indicator to show you the exact time that you can trade with the best volume. So this morning we were trading with our CAD JPY chart. And let me just go ahead and make a quick adjustment here so you can see our volume section. So we took our trades this morning on the 15-minute time frame, and as you can see down here, we took our trades when the volume was above the golden bar here, because that indicates that we have sufficient volume to take the trades. So as long as the volume is above the golden bar, then it's okay to take the trades there. And so with this strategy, there are two things to look out for. So you want to ensure that the volume is above the golden bar, and also the candles have to be within this highlighted area right here. So this is when we take our trades. So it's a very simple strategy, guys, and it's a time-based strategy combined with volume, and it's perfect for day traders. And I use market keys here, our expert advisor, to automatically calculate the risk to enter the trades and manage the trade as well. And so let me just go ahead and show you the profits that we made for today. So here you can see our individual trades, and here we made a total of $569.85, guys. And if you want to get these awesome tools, you can go ahead and click on the link in the description, and we will be trading every day with our tools so that you can see exactly how we use them, okay? So thanks for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.